Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the Roblox if your Windows 7 system is too outdated. Please install Kb4534310. Let's fix that guys. You just need to open up File Explorer, go to search menu and type File Explorer and click on open it. Right click on this PC icon and select properties. And now you can able to see in system type which operating system you have. In my case I have 64-bit operating system. After note downloading this bit, you just need to close stuff here. Now you just need to open up Chrome and search Windows Update Catalog and press enter. Select the first link. In search, you just need to check my video description for this text used in my video. Just copy and paste it in the search and select the search option. Now you just need to find out which version you want to install. X64 based system. This is for 32-bit operating system guys. And in my case I have 64-bit operating system. As you can see, Windows 7 64-bit operating system. In your case maybe you have Windows 7 and 32-bit operating system. 32 operating system if you have, then you just need to download this x86. In my case I have 64, so I'm select this download option. Select this link and it started downloading. After getting download done, you just need to select the downloaded file and install it. After the installation done, you will get a pop-up to restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can play the Roblox without having any problem. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.